What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to recap my short on TRCH. I'm going to go over my short from yesterday and short from today. Let's start out yesterday. I had a really nice entry. First of all, the stock had been running on the daily up around 300% from $3, a little bit more than that. So I was looking for a momentum shift. I waited until this rejection of the pre-market high at 10.2 right here. So this is where I sized in. I had about a 10.2 average. And I had my cover orders sitting right here. Or this is where I was planning on covering. And of course, the stock just barely dipped, and I wasn't paying attention at the time. So I didn't fill these orders. And once this happened, I held, and a little frustrating. This reclaimed red green, and that's where I got out, and it was a small win compared to what it would have been had I covered here as my plan would dictate. So just some misexecution on my part. I had a line marked here for the fading percentage, and I just didn't cover it. So today I was a little bit more diligent. Today was a first red day setup, so the stock went red for the first time. If you look at the daily chart, it's a classic setup. It wasn't the cleanest play, just because it did pop a little bit over that red green level. There was a little bit of resistance here in the tens for about 2 hours, so it wasn't the best resistance level. And this is an ideal play because the float is about 100, I think 20 million ish. So I have to be a little bit conservative with my profit taken. So I shorted right here. I added on this second test. This one here, I downsized because this was a weird bounce at around 10 a.m. So I got a little nervous, so I had to size down a little bit. But I still had a lot of conviction, risking the red green from today. I was risking 10.2 ultimately, and so my average was around 9.9, and I just covered here on the bottom at 8.5. Probably could hold this to the low eights, but like I said, this is generally not a float range that I trade, so I want to be conservative, and I'll just take my 15% and call it a day. So overall, the market's been slowing down a little bit with AMC, dying off. Plays haven't been ideal, so just got to be a little bit more selective. If I'm trading, or if you're trading stocks that are a bit higher float, just make sure you have some stats on them. They won't behave like small caps do. So anyhow, the profits will be posted on Twitter. I believe it was a $1,600 or $1,700 profit on this. Not a huge trade, but nevertheless, nice to make some money today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and the analysis. Please drop a like and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter for some stock commentary, and see you guys in the next video.